A blinking green light on your Spectrum router typically means it's trying to establish a connection to the internet. It indicates the router is searching for or negotiating an IP address from Spectrum's servers. This can happen due to several reasons: a temporary disruption in the service, an issue with the DHCP, or the router being in WPS mode. Don't panic. This doesn't always mean there's a major problem. The light is basically telling you, hold on, I'm working on it. First, power cycle your router by unplugging it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This often resolves the issue by re-establishing the connection. Ensure all cable connections are secure. Check that the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the router and the wall outlet. Check for any reported outages in your area using the MySpectrum app or website. If the problem persists, use the MySpectrum app's diagnostic tools for automated troubleshooting or contact Spectrum support for further assistance. They might suggest a firmware update or identify a hardware issue.